Hey y'all, I thought I'd do a quick video, as quick as I can, talking about a very specific situation in real estate that a lot of people get themselves in, where they want to buy a home, they want to make a move, but they have a home to sell. You have four options. The first option is you can put your house on the market and you can do the figure it out method, is what I say. Put your home on the market, get your home sold, and if your home sells, you might stay in an Airbnb, or you might stay at a family home, or you might stay somewhere for a while until you can find that other home. That's figure it out option. Number two is what I call list with a contingency. You can actually list your home on the market, and you can say that we are only going to sell our home if we can find another home, and you as the buyer buying our home gives us a certain amount of time to find a home. If we can't find a home, then we don't have to sell. That works sometimes if you have a very desirable home, but if your home is much like a lot of other folks, or there's a lot of inventory in your neighborhood when you go to sell, that's kind of difficult because you're essentially saying, hey buyers, we want you to just wait for us to figure it out. That's kind of difficult to do. The third option is what I like to call bridge loan. Bridge loans are awesome. If you want to learn more about bridge loans, these loans help you buy a home before selling your home. And typically you can avoid 2 mortgage payments at a time. You won't likely have those. And it doesn't cost an arm and a leg to do it. A lot of people assume there's a lot of fees associated with bridge loans. It's really not. You're a good candidate for a bridge loan. You're a good candidate to buy a home before selling yours. If you have a lot of equity in your home and your payment on your home is pretty low and your debt to income ratio is good. If you want to learn more about how to buy a home before selling yours, use a bridge loan and talk to me about that. We use that often with others. And the fourth option is going and shopping first with a contingency, saying, hey, we have to sell our home in order to buy your home. Here's our offer. Will you give us 30, 60, 15 days to sell our home? And if so, we'll put our home on the market very quick if you accept our offer. Those are your 4 real solid options. There's other options that exist, but those are the options to consider. If you have a home that you know that you would need to sell in order to buy, talk to me about these 4 options, and I can tell you which one of the 4 options or 2 of the 4 options is best for you. I hope you're doing well, and we'll talk soon.